Women in their 40s can look 20 with this natural cream. It completely eliminates wrinkles and expression lines around the mouth and reduces all wrinkles on the neck. Follow this account for more amazing videos. First, we will need 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which helps to brighten the skin, remove dullness, and fight wrinkles. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice, which helps reduce pigmentation. Next, add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. This is the base of the cream, and it helps fight wrinkles on the face and neck. Mix everything well. How to use: apply this to your face in the evening and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 15 days, and you will be amazed by the results. Have you ever tried this remedy? Mix yogurt with honey, the secret that makes your skin white like milk and clear like glass. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this, first, we will need 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It helps reduce pigmentation, brightens the skin, improves elasticity, smooths fine lines, and deeply hydrates the skin. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey nourishes, hydrates, and restores the skin's natural glow. Mix well and use this daily for 15 days, and you'll be amazed by the results. Second recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well. This mask helps fight wrinkles and remove dark spots. How to use: apply this on your face in the evening and leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash off with water. Use this daily for 10 days and you'll be amazed by the results. Do not overuse this natural recipe unless you are ready for a Korean white glow and Japanese glass skin in just 5 days. Save this video before it disappears. First, we will need 1 tomato. Cut the tomato into small cubes as shown in the demonstration. Tomato helps to exfoliate the skin, remove dullness, and reduce dark spots. Once cut, put the tomato cubes into a blender. Add half a cup of milk and blend well until it turns into a smooth paste. After blending, transfer the paste into a bowl. For demonstration purposes, take 1 tablespoon of this paste into another bowl. You can prepare more as needed. Now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which helps brighten the skin and gives it a youthful glow. Mix everything well. How to use: apply this mixture daily in the evening before sleeping. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. You will be amazed by the results after just 3 days of use. No more yellow teeth. Try this natural recipe for a whiter, brighter smile that instantly boosts your confidence. To begin, first we will need rice. Put 2 tablespoons of rice into an electric mixer and blend until it turns into a smooth powder. Once ground, strain the rice powder into a bowl using a fine strainer. Now take 2 tablespoons of the rice powder in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice helps to whiten teeth and eliminate bad breath. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which helps reduce black spots on teeth, and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of any toothpaste you like and mix thoroughly. How to use: brush your teeth daily with this mixture for 2 minutes, then rinse with water. Use this for 7 days, and you will notice a visible difference in just 2 days.